BTS, Blackpink, EXO, Twice, big K-pop group perform at same stage. Isn't it feel exciting? Imagine this for a second. BTS, Blackpink, EXO, Twice, 17, Stray Kids, aespa, and many of the biggest K-pop group performing on the same stage in the same festival. Doesn't that sound unreal? Doesn't that feel exciting already? K-pop could be entering a completely new era, and fans around the world are already calling this one of the biggest ideas the industry has ever been. A report says HYBE, JYP Entertainment, SM Entertainment, and YG Entertainment, the four most powerful companies in K-pop, are discussing plans to launch a massive global music festival inspired by Coachella. If this becomes reality, it could completely change the future of K-pop concerts forever. Now, the question is, what is Coachella? Coachella is one of the most famous music festivals in the world. Its full name is Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival. It happens every year in California, USA, usually in April, and brings together some of the biggest singers, rappers, brands, DJs, and celebrities. Think about how huge is this really. These are the companies behind some of the biggest artists on the planet. HYBE is home of BTS, 17, TXT, ENHYPEN, and Lace SFRM. JYP represents Twice, Stray Kids, ITZY, and Nimex. SM Entertainment has EXO, NCT, aespa, Riz, and Red Velvet. YG is known for Blackpink, Treasure, and Baby Monster. Normally, these companies are rivals. They compete for charts, album sales, trainees, brand deals, stadium tours, streaming records, and worldwide attention. Fans are used to seeing these labels battle each other year after year. But now, instead of competing, they may be joining hands for one historic project. The proposed festival is reportedly called Phenomenon, a name combining fan and phenomena. And honestly, the name fits, because if this happened, it would be a phenomena. The vision is much bigger than just concerts. Reports suggested that the event would celebrate Korean music, fashion, beauty, food, entertainment, and culture on a massive international scale. It would not be just a festival. It would be a global K-pop experience, and this is where things get crazy. Imagine one weekend where fans from around the world gather in one place to watch legendary stages back to back. BTS performing in front of massive crowd, Blackpink taking over the night stage, EXO returning with a full powerful performance, Twice lighting up the festival with a hit after hit, Stray Kids bringing explosive energy, 17 delivering synchronized perfection, aespa creating futuristic stage, NCT bringing massive fan excitement, Treasure, Lace SFRM, TXT, Baby Monster, and many more all in one place. That kind of lineup would be almost impossible everywhere else in the world. Fans are already imagining dream collaboration. What if BTS and Blackpink members shared one special stage? What if EXO and Twice performed together? What if Stray Kids and 17 delivered a performance together or a dance battle together? What if all companies untied for one final closing performance? Those moments would instantly break the internet. Reports suggested the first vision of the festival could launch in South Korea in 2027, with the international expansion expected in 2028. If successful, it could become Asia's answer to Coachella and one of the biggest annual music festivals on earth. This is a smart business move. K-pop has already dominated charts, social media, fashion campaigns, streaming platforms, and world tours. The next step is creating a mega festival brand owned by K-pop. Instead of depending on Western's event, the industry could build its own global stage where K-pop controls the spotlight. Fans online are exploding with reactions. Some are calling it the best idea in K-pop history. Some are already saving money for tickets, and some are worried about tickets would sell out in seconds. Others are wondering how fans and what schedule, pricing, and artist availability would even work. And yes, this is a real concern. Bringing top groups, the rival companies, into one event could be extremely difficult. Contracts, timing, military services, schedules, combats, plans, and internal politics could be all around become a obstacle. But even with those challenges, the excitement is real because for the first time, fans can imagine a world where the biggest name in K-pop stand on stage under one event. And there is one question everyone keep asking: would BTS and Blackpink finally appears at the same official multi-level festival? If that happens, it could become one of the most watched music moments in modern pop culture history. For now, talks are still in early stages. Nothing is officially confirmed now, but even the idea alone proves how powerful K-pop has become. This is no longer an industry trying to follow the trends. They are making trends now. K-pop is now big enough to create the next global trend itself. And if HYBE, JYP, SM, and YG truly unite, the result may not just be another festival. It could be the biggest K-pop event the world has ever seen. So are you excited for that? Comment me down, and thanks for watching.